Welcome into another video. This is the Nigerian Tech Bro YouTube channel. I'm just another IT guy. So this is a continuation for the series of hosting a Wazuh SIEM tool on the EKS cluster on AWS. That is Kubernetes in the cloud on AWS. So far we've done a lot of things in this series. In our last video, we set up the permissions and roles for the purpose of this project. So now we'll be proceeding to set up an EC2 instance. This would be our AWS EC2 instance with AWSCLI that will have kubectl installed to enable us manage these worker nodes as well as make deployments on the worker nodes that will be in the EKS cluster. So stay in the video while we do that. Feel free to leave a comment if you think there's anything that should be adjusted, or you want a particular review, or you want me to do a particular video. Do that in the comment section also. But if you just like the video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Nigerian Tech Bro, just another IT guy. So moving straight into the video. What I want you to do here is I want you to open EC2, but if you don't have that in your home screen, use the search bar. Then you go to EC2. I already have this machine we're talking about, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be creating a new one with you guys just so you know how it works. And once you click EC2, if you don't have this open, click on instances by the side here. Click on instances. Then what I want you to do is launch instance. Remember, we've created our VPC, we've created our subnet, we've done our route table and all that. So if you've missed any part of this video, please go back and watch those parts of the video to catch up with whatever it is you've missed. So now once you launch the instance, give it any name you like. I would like to name this I'd like to name this AWSCLI 01. So for this video, for this machine, we'll be using the Amazon Linux machine. We'll also be making use of the T2 micro instance. The key pair is required. I have my key pair created, but I will show you how to create your own key pair just in case you do not have that. So what you do is you click create a key pair, just like I did. If you don't have, you click create new key pair. You put the key pair name, then you click on RSA, and then select pen. That is what I use. Select pen. And once you select pen, you create that key pair. Voila, we are done. That's good. Then you will be able to see that key pair here. Now you drop down, select the key pair. Now once you have your key pair selected, I want you to click edit. Yeah, we've created our security group, but there are lots of things I want you to change here. So I want you to click edit. Now, when you click edit, you select the VPC if you have more than one. And remember, we created two subnets in the private and two subnets in the public. I want you to select any of the public subnets. Now, when you do that, ensure that auto assign public IP is enabled. This is just for you to reduce the cost. I don't want you to go attaching an elastic IP to your EC2 instance. Then select an existing security group. Scroll down, so we'll see more options. So remember the security group we created, the green 01. Yeah, so select that. Then click the drop down, advanced network configuration. Normally you get an IP automatically, a private IP, but I like to have things organized. So I'll be giving this a static IP based on the subnet I selected. So I'll be giving this 0.1. And just to keep things clean, I'll select yes to delete that network interface whenever I delete this instance. So just so you understand, I have a subnet of 16.0.0/24, which means the address starts from 0.1, and I'm creating an instance here with the .1 IP. So I've selected my security group. I've done that. 8 gigabytes of storage is enough for this machine, but you can bump it up to 10 just to round it up, Okay, so now that we have that, what is left is to launch the instance. So most of this stuff could be done using things like Terraform and okay, this failed because the address is in the reserved range. Okay, for one reason or the other, I think I must have done something I forgot about. So let me go with .20. So most of what things can be done with Terraform, CloudFormation, Ansible, some of all these automation tools. But given that most people who will be watching this video are new to AWS, GUI is your friend. So now that the instance has been created, you go to the instance, though it will still be initializing. Um, Now, if you watch here, the instance is pending, but let's click it just to have a focus. So while we wait for that instance to pen, I'll come back when it's done. So the instance has successfully been created. Let me show you how we got here. So we're here and the instance is done. Then you click connect. Now once you click connect, if you are watching this video June 2023 and beyond, you'll have these two options. AWS just launched this. Today is 14th of June. They just launched this 14th of June. So I would say it's a new future, but I will go with the one I'm used to. Eventually, we'll get to explore this. So you can use SSH client. That's the purpose of the key we created earlier on, the key pair. So if you're using SSH client, you just go to your command prompt or your terminal. You change directory to wherever that key is stored. You copy this command just as it is, as far as you're in that directory where the key is stored. Copy this command, paste it in your terminal, press enter, and you connect. But I love this guy so much. It takes a whole lot of stress from me. So I'll just click connect. So the instance has launched. Just confirming so you can see the IP address of the instance we created. So the first thing you want to do here is to paste this command aws config. I might leave a link to these commands in the description of this video. So once you press the AWS config, remember we created an access key. Remember we created an access key in the beginning of this video. So we are going to use that access key. Then it's asking for the region. If you are not sure of your region, you just press enter. But you can easily just press this drop down to get your region. Sorry. Press this drop down to get your region. My region is not Virginia. It's supposed to be US. I think US East 81. Yeah. So US East -1. So you just type that US East 1. So once you type that region, the format should be JSON. So we're good. So now that you've done that, um, we are good with the EKS. We are good with the machine which we will use in managing the resources. So the next thing we would want to do, we'll continue in our next video, is to create the cluster. So I want you to subscribe, click the like button, leave a comment if you have a question. If there's anything you think that needs to be done, please feel free to say that in the comment section. Criticisms are allowed. So I'll catch you in my next video where we'll be creating our EKS cluster. See you soon.